Here I have my new vacuum sealer and I use these all the time. So in the box here, it comes with this, which is all of these spare lids. So they give you a whole bunch of lids in it, both regular size and wide mouth. They provide you with a charging cord. And I love this little tool. This is the lid opener. So when it is sealed on the jar, which I'll show you how to pull it off in a second, they provide stickers for the top of your jar so you can label what is inside. Love these. And this is the vacuum sealer itself. So this is so awesome. It is fully automated. This is the power button and you just push it to seal it. Like there's nothing else you have to do. On the back here, you can see that it does the two sizes. Inside further is the smaller lid. Out here is the wide mouth. So I don't even have to take off attachments or add new ones for the different size jars. I love that. It is super convenient. So on and off. Really simple, one button use. This is where you plug in the charging cord to plug it into the wall. This is saying it has 25% battery, so I need to charge that soon. Okay, so I have my large jar of chia seeds, and this is a half-gallon jar, and this takes a wide mouth lid. So I'll just show you how it seals it. I like to put all of my cereals, grains, rice, all of those types of things in jars and then seal the top because it helps preserve it longer. So put your lid on, push this on all the way, and then push your button. So you can see that it's sucking. I push the button, the green light's going and the numbers are climbing, and it will stop automatically when it is all done. Now it's all done, it stopped on its own, and I'll show you here. So now you know it's sealed because you can hold onto the lid and all this weight, it doesn't open up the lid at all. So perfectly sealed, so great. I love using these machines. And this little tool here, I'll show you how to use it. You hook it onto the end that way, or if there's a big enough lip, you can use this side, but I'll just show you this side. And that's how you unseal it. And it does it without ruining the edge of my lid. All right, there we go. I like to fill my jars with pasta and keep it preserved better that way because air and oxygen always breaks food down, no matter what it is, a lot quicker. So I'm gonna put my lid on, and you can see now it's gonna go to the back side here where the smaller one is. Push it on, make sure it seals on well. Push your button. Really easy. It's already sucking a whole bunch of air out. I can hear the noodles kind of crackling, which means they're getting closer to each other. I love that this fits both regular and wide mouth. Really easy to use, really great product, and really worth checking out if you vacuum seal all the time. I find this one so great to have because I don't have extra parts to have to connect. I love that it doesn't take up space in my cupboard, and it does the job really well. So go check it out. Okay, this is all done. Take this off and we'll check the seal. Perfect. Worked really, really well. Awesome, awesome vacuum sealer.